In a historic era, Bangladesh was described as the paradise of the nations, or Golden Bengal, or Sonar Bangladesh, and it was the wealthiest province in a historic era. Bangladesh made significant progress in the past few decades in all segments. Government policies helped to bring forest investment, special economic zone, joint development of national infrastructure with foreign development partners. Rapid growth has been observed in the textile, pharmaceutical, agriculture, food processing and manufacturing segment. To cope with this industrial revolution, country made a sustainable development plan power, energy and infrastructure segment. IRA Construction Bangladesh started its journey in 1995 as a small trading company for utility segment catered to electrical, automation and civil segment. Since then, it has transformed into a full competent EPC company. IRA has gained experience in power generation process for coal-fired, combined cycle and distributed renewable generation. IRA has successfully completed numbers of 33 by 11 kV AIS and GIS distribution substation with European technology partner as turnkey solution provider. In the power transmission segment, IRA has successfully executed 132 kV substations as full turnkey solution provider and extra high voltage substations under executions. Infrastructure security management segment, IRA Group has done many milestone projects for many important infrastructures of Bangladesh.
আমি একে মাহবুবুর রহমান আমার কোম্পানির নাম এমআরএম ইন্টারন্যাশনাল 2003 সালে প্রতিষ্ঠিত হয় ইরা গ্রুপ অফ কোম্পানির একটি প্রতিষ্ঠান আমরা এ যাবৎকালে সুনামের সহিত কাজ করে আসতেছি এবং মালামাল সাপ্লাই দিয়ে আসতেছি কাজ এবং মালামালের গুণগত মানের দিকে আমাদের কোনো ছাড় নেই আমরা মূলত বিপিডিবি নেসকো ডেসকো ডিপিডিসি পিজিসিবির বিভিন্ন জায়গায় কাজ করে আসতেছি আশা রাখি আমরা মুজিব শতবর্ষে প্রত্যেক ঘরে ঘরে বিদ্যুৎ পৌঁছে দিতে পারবো বাংলাদেশের অনেক জায়গায় সাবস্টেশনে লোডিং ক্ষমতা কম রয়েছে সেই লোডিং আপগ্রেডেশনের কাজও আমরা করতেছি এবং আধুনিক প্রযুক্তি যেটা জিআইএস সিস্টেম সেটা আমরা করতেছি 132 কেবি লাইন করতেছি 132 কেবি সাবস্টেশন করতেছি 4,30,000 বোল্ডের সাবস্টেশন আমরা নতুন পেয়েছি এবং করতে যাচ্ছি এবং 4,32,000 গ্রিড লাইন আমরা আপনাদের দোয়ায় আমরা নির্মাণ করার জন্য প্রস্তুতি নিচ্ছি
such as renovations of Bangladesh Power Development Board headquarters, video surveillance systems of Capital Airport and construction power source facilities for Bangladesh's first nuclear power station. In the renewable energy segment, IRA has ventured into distributed solar power plant to the electrified rural area where grid facilities are not available. This approach helps to achieve 100% electrification by 2020, aim as per national policies. Along the journey of transformation, IRA Construction has developed significant contributions for the associated group or ancillary companies. IRA extended significant knowledge share to develop MRM International to process EPC company and asset management solution provider. MRM International was started in 2003 by two young entrepreneurs, Mr. AKM Mahbubur Rahman and Mr. Mujahidul Islam, expertise in operation and maintenance solution provider for customer assets by providing aftermarket service and spare parts. MRM International has focused on generation assets and distribution new infrastructure segment. In generation segment, MRM successfully executed several renovation and modernization projects for power plant electrical, instrumentation and control systems worth multi-million-dollar. MRM International has executed successfully many power distribution infrastructure projects above ground and underground power networks, along with protection devices like lightning arrestor and dropout fuses and electronic sensors to deliver the power safe and secure way to the consumers and facilities. IRA has also shared knowledge and expertise to establish IRA Power Limited, a company dedicated to local manufacturing of metal structure and fittings mainly for the distribution and transmission segment. Supply, installation, testing and commissioning of 33 kV new line from Sirajganj 7.6 megawatt solar power plant 33 kV substation to Putiabari 33 by 11 kV substation turnkey basis under NWPGCL. Removing 01 nose 10 by 13.3 MVA transformer and carrying erection, testing and commissioning work of 0.1 nose 25 by 41 MVA transformer for Gopalganj to Faridpur grid substation under GMD PGCB Faridpur. Procurement of civil works, curing chamber, pole stack yard, main shop, batching plant shed, boiler shed, pump house, sludge drainage system, materials testing shop, etc. of spun precast concrete HPC, pole factory having production capacity not less than 96 poles by 8 hours at Saidpur 20 megawatt diesel power plant complex area, Nilphamari, Bangladesh under Power Distribution System Development Project, Rangpur Zone of Bangladesh Power Development Board. Renovation, modernization, beautification of exterior of Bidyut Bhavan, its parking area, basement and first floor, ground floor entry lobby, reception area, access control system, boundary wall, main entry, lift lobby and toilet block, ground floor to 15th floor, and landscaping including construction of rooftop floor. IRA Construction implement ISO 9001-2015 and OHSAS 45001-2018 for its regular office and execution operation. IRA Construction as a company believes keep hope alive till the ends. IRA founder CEO Mr. AKM Tuhinur Rahman encourages his colleagues and company members to make it happen through hard work and passion.
Assalamu alaikum. I am AKM Tuhinur Rahman, CEO of IRA Group. My company established in 1995. Our company annual turnover $40 million US. My company also health safety is maintained, and also we are maintain our quality. Our working area Bangladesh Power Development Board, DBDC, NESCO, PGCB, Bangla Port, Civil Aviation, and some multinational company like CMC, Siemens, ABB. And also our vision or mission, we maintain our quality and strictly follow our health and safety.
If hard work and honesty are there, then even failure can teach a path for success. IRA Group and its all member dedicated to customers, suppliers to the provided highest level of integrated supports.